Hey guys, it's Chris here. So our giveaway ended a couple of days ago and it's time to draw the winners. But before I do, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting Code with Chris and entering this giveaway. We had so many users, so many entries, and when I saw that, it just really made my heart warm. So thank you so much again. Just to remind you guys about the prizes, as you're going to watch me draw them right now, the first 3 people that I draw will win the grand prize. Maybe we should do this the other way around actually. The first 2 people, okay, that I draw will be the runner-up winners. And the last 3 people will be the grand prize winners. Okay, so let's do it this way. Runner-up winners first, and then 3 grand prize winners. So I'm going to go over to the admin panel for this giveaway, and I'm going to say draw winners. Okay, so first we're drawing runner-up winners. So the runner-up winners are going to get a copy of the fundamental course for free. Okay, so I'm going to draw 2 winners, potential almost 1,000 people. So again, thank you so much for entering and supporting Code with Chris. I'm going to draw 2 winners, and these guys will be for the runner-up prizes. All right, I'm going to have to blur some of this stuff out just because I don't want to expose any personal information, but the 2 winners are Carl and Adam, specifically Carl Warren and Adam Zeuspen. All right, congratulations to you guys for winning the runner-up prize, and that is a copy of the fundamental course. Now to draw the 3 grand prize winners. So let's do this again. 3 winners to draw, and this is for the grand prize, which is the complete course bundle, which includes the fundamental course, the database course, and the design course. All right, so let's do this. All right, so congratulations to Elzo Guarnieri, Janik Bunzel, and Anurag Ratan. I'll be reaching out to you guys individually, and then as for everyone else, I'll be sending you guys an email with a special discount to purchase the course bundle if you want to. All right, so thanks for entering, and we're going to hold another giveaway soon, probably next month. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey, did you join my free Facebook community yet? That's where I hang out along with a ton of other people learning iOS just like yourself. I also post early access to all of my videos inside that group before I put them on YouTube. You can also get help with any questions you're having. Visit the link below, click on the join group button, and I'll approve your request right away. All right, so I'll see you in there. Talk soon.